duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions honestly
honestly
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
And that I will abide by the code of conduct
abide by the code of conduct
issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will not allow
That I will not allow
my personal interest
my personal interest
to influence my official conduct
to influence the conduct
or my official decisions.
or my official decisions.
That I will preserve,
That I will preserve,
protect and defend
protect and defend
the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that
And that
in all circumstances
in all circumstances
I will do right to all manners of people
I will do right to all manner of people
according to law,
according to law,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or ill will.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me.
Ameen.
Ameen.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।